So we are in the evening TF session. Sun is setting down. I have the IONIQ 6N, and I have here lots of friends of mine. And I thought, you know what? Let's go for some nice laps together. So chilled. We have Costas in a 992.2 GT3. We have Danny DC2, aka Danny M3, aka Danny DCT or ZF HP, and we have a very fast Civic. So Costas ate someone's license plate. Luckily, it was not IONIQ 6. Oh man, I went through PPF. Man, brand new car. Sad. So what is it? Is it K or B?
K24.
K24 turbo or what?
Yes.
Oh man. Nice. So how much power are you pulling? Like 5?
No, 450.
450?
Yes, the rest of the case now I was like 400.
Yeah.
0.8 bar.
Nice.
Yep.
And what's the weight? Like 900?
1000.
1000, yeah.
Enric builds and tunes this car. So he
Yeah.
has seen Advanced Motorsport in Barcelona. He does all the work. He's the go-to K-series guys. If you want to tune something, if you want to build something, and this, he drove it all the way.
Costas, I
Yeah.
love you.
With the Jags, with Jags of E85 inside, Barcelona.
Oh, it's running
to
E85.
Nürburgring E85,
Ah,
drove
okay.
it here, removed the Jags, went out, drove, and this car also does like circuit racing. He can
Yeah.
do 20-minute session on the
Wow.
on this thing.
Yes, I do a Spanish championship, like sprint races, 50 minutes, something like this.
Yeah, very cool.
Yep, thank you.
Very nice. How's the front? Bigger brakes?
Just Megane.
Megane RS, yeah.
355.
Yeah, that's all you need. What tire sizes?
Now I'm doing 265. Normally
Yeah.
I use 300.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Wow.
depends.
Crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna do 275 and that's already like quite maxing. No, I'm not gonna turbocharge mine. Leave me alone. NA.
Even after you saw it, like flames and stuff. And
I didn't see the flames because I was in front.
I will share the video
Yeah.
so the guys can see. From behind it looked like a version of Best Motoring, but also there were GT3 RSs. It was
Exactly, it was
very cool. Sun setting,
chilling TF lap, full race car, and I'm chilling with the air conditioning, you know, vibing, and man is sweating. So that's the difference. And no, that was very, very cool, very nice. By the way, check out Danny's latest splitter. It's actually VULCAN ALPHA made. Oh, hey! Yeah, very nice, very nice. Cool wing, cool wing. Also cool wing. This is not VULCAN ALPHA made, but we are making him something new, something special. Anyway, I guess, I don't know, enjoy the lap. I'm sure we're still gonna get comments from people who only watch the onboard and say like, oh, why don't you let people pass? That was not the point. We all agreed to, we're just gonna have chill lap of the day. And we did let Ring Taxi through. So yeah, and I'm sure the Ring Taxi passenger had a lot of fun seeing us moving around and chilling.